Good morning and welcome to the VSA Morning Miner. It's Monday the 28th of March. I'm Ollie O'Donnell and I'm joined by Paul Rankin. Paul, how are you today? How's your weekend?
I'm all right, thank you. And I managed to get a meal cooked for the wife for Mothering Sunday.
Excellent. Glad to hear it. Right. Well, we better get stuck in straight away with Cornish Metals, who've announced a deal with Mick Davis Vision Blue Resources.
Yes, that's right. It's a 40.5 million sterling raise. It's with units priced at 18p per share, or $30 Canadian roughly, and a warrant to purchase a common share at 27p over a 3-year period. And the money will be used to go for dewatering the South Crofty mine. So all this money is about the South Crofty historic tin mine specifically, as well as resource drilling, completion of a feasibility study, and further downstream beneficiation studies and on-site early clearing works to prepare for a construction decision. One of the things I did notice for the announcement, though, is that they had not included within this 40 million budget the capex for a modular mill, which South Crofty has needed now for quite a number of years now in order to get the project up and running. So it looks like they're going to reassess that given current prices of metals as well as the capex cost inflation over the last several years as well.
Yeah, it looks like they're going to do the dewatering while they finish that feasibility study and tighten up those designs. But that's in terms of a sort of catalyst and from a milestone perspective for shareholders, that avoids a sort of the long period of dewatering without any other milestones being achieved, and a sort of quiet period for the share price where investors would most likely sort of drift away. So that by doing these in tandem, that rather avoids that. And now you've got that funding that covers you for that period, which has been the key hurdle. So very positive. And it's obviously another strategic mining fund entering Cornwall, which shows it's pretty serious proposition again.
That's right, and also it's an endorsement too as to what Mick's group Vision Blue thinks the mine life at South Crofty will be too, because his positions he's taken so far within the fund have been on pretty long mine life operations to this point in time. So that's a vote of confidence there, I think, as well.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else out there, Paul, today?
Yes, Firefinch, that's the Shanghai Mining Club member of ours, but also ASX listed. They have signed off on the final documents for the fundraising or for the funding of 170 million by Jiangxi Ganfeng to commence development of the Goulamina lithium spodumene deposit in Mali. That essentially gets things moving for Ganfeng to transfer $91 million US in coming days over to the joint venture, as well as Ganfeng has responsibility for raising some additional debt component for the development of the mine. And as a result, then this results in the demerger of Goulamina project out of Firefinch into its own listed or to be listed entity called Leo Lithium.
Excellent. Okay. Anything else out there today?
Not things specific. We did get MMG, the Chinese base metal producer, production results out on Friday. They were mixed set with copper down, but base lead zinc production was up.
Brilliant. Okay. Thanks very much, Paul. We'll speak again tomorrow.
Very good. See you then.